Interesting, isn't it? If you have not drawn this fish already, you can check out the tutorial. Link is above right corner and then come back. Okay, for painting, I am putting the strokes of lighter color on the whole trunk of the fish, but we are just keeping in mind that mouth part means head, body and tail is having slight difference in color, so they can be differentiated. The trunk is the more taut part, so just make it an on the lighter color, and for darker towards the tail, mix it with red tint and then do. Here we can uh, create the fins. Fins are semi transparent, so I'm taking very much diluted and putting the shades towards the uh, dark orange or red shade towards the uh, beginning, I mean towards the part which is near the body. Okay, so these fins are looking, base is looking nice. Okay, fins we will not put dark tinted color. I'll make the background also quickly, so it will give me the uh, base layer uh, for it. Okay, and since I am trying to make it in aquarium, so lighter part and greenish below will give some appearance of some dark greens or leaves or something like that. Okay, and let's come to the mouth. Finish it little bit. Okay, and the near the eyes, before the color gets too dry, I'll just make the boundary, so at least the structure looks a little bit like a fish. Okay, to mm, make it little coming out kind of eyes, uh, give a little bit of shade on the bottom. Hmm? And then for scales, we have to be little careful to put the same kind of strokes there, small strokes there, but they should not look um, quite obvious, so I'm trying to merge them also. First I'll make and then I'm merging them as well on the background. Here again, uh, scales since we are not using the white color, I have deliberately left some of the space in between the scales, so it will give the appearance like light is reflecting out of it. Okay, now let's come to fins. Okay, and here I feel little difficulty, right? Because I'm not using white color and creating these veins. I wanted to reflect more, but leaving the space or uh, that way it is getting difficult. So I choose dark shade and then doing. Okay, and since it's a transparent, to show them bit transparent, I'm even uh, coloring with the same color um, as the water. Okay, and lift it more up. I'm adding some more dark color towards the fish. Okay, so on the front fins as well, we'll draw veins. Okay, and paint them. And on the second layer on the tail or on the body, this when we build up, right, these vertical lines on the trunk and the lateral line, yeah, see. Okay, I just putting the on a scale again. So it will give the, you know, how you will bring the gold color with the combination of yellow, orange, red, right? We give some definition and then it brings it to, you know, finishing. Now again, to lift it up, I'm making the background darker. Okay, there is another technique to do with masking fluid also. So in those cases we can bring even the veins white. I'll put some tutorial sometime later using those techniques, but here for now I have to manage with the color to lift it up. Do let me know if you like to see the masking fluid, working with masking fluid tutorial. Okay, some more finishing touches for the background and for bringing those bubbles, you know. I have just on the wet background, I have just put the tip of the finger and it gave some nice bubbles kind of structure. Here to show these fins are transparent, I have even put it with the green or with watercolor. Uh, and yeah, it's almost looking nice. Okay, some more finishing touches, and here the vertical lines to give these fins shape. Yeah, next time I will try with these that masking fluid. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, let's add some more finishing touches. I want I'm putting the dark colors, so I have to merge it in the background in the water itself. Yeah. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.